In this video, I will quickly show you how to create a Squareup account. So first go and open up your browser and just go and type in Squareup. Then right here after the advertisements, you will see Square Power Your Entire Business. So we're going to click on that. I'll also link it down in the description, so you can also click on that if you want. From here, just going to click Get Started. And then here, in order to create your account, enter your email address, password, and your location. And then you need to agree to their terms of service, privacy policy, and you need to e-sign consent. So go and tick this box and then click continue. Then after doing that, just go and set up your business by entering your business name, your business identity, for example, LLC or anything like that, or something similar to that. Then enter your business address, your employer identification number and stuff like that. And after you do that, you will have set up your Squareup account, and you can then head into your dashboard where you can make use of all sorts of products that are offered by Squareup. So now you know how to create a Squareup account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.